I recently bought this little handheld battery-powered chainsaw, and honestly, I was completely surprised by how well it cuts. Before I got mine, information was hard to find, so I made this video to help you decide if it's the right tool for your home. First off, it comes neatly packed in this tough little plastic carrying case. Super handy for storage and transport. Now, let's look at the incredible extras inside. This set is genuinely generous. You get not one, but 2 batteries, a huge win, since most only give you one. Plus, there's the charger, which has a clear light that turns green when you're good to go. They also include a pair of gloves, 2 guide blades, 4 chains, and even the wrench and screwdriver you need to set it all up. Holding it is really comfortable thanks to the rubberized grip. Right near the trigger, there's a handy finger guard, a nice extra layer of protection. Putting this saw together is really simple and quick. In the box, you'll find a short blade with 2 matching chains and a longer blade with 2 longer chains. Just be sure to match the blade size to the chain you pick. Getting the chain on is a breeze. It's very straightforward. The main thing is to make sure the chain is tight enough but not too tight. Once you've got that right, just crank down the bolt to lock it all in place. Now, a quick maintenance tip. Unlike the big chainsaws with automatic oil tanks, this one is manual. I suggest adding a little bit of oil to the chain every once in a while when you're working. It's a good idea to keep things running smoothly. I've already used this saw quite a bit, and I am seriously pleased with the results. For the average homeowner, this is perfect for light yard work and cutting up small trees. It can even handle some bigger stuff. You'll actually see me cutting some larger trees later in the video. I even managed to slice through old, dry wood without any problems. As far as the battery goes, I found that one charge gives you about 15 to 20 minutes of cutting time, which is pretty decent. And since we get 2 batteries in the kit, you'll have plenty of power to tackle most weekend projects. All right, enough talking. Now that I've shown you how to install the chain, let's get this thing running and see exactly what it can cut.